Assalamu alaikum, world GSM fan. Today's subject ZTE A35, A55, A75, A76, A35E. Network of Latin America and Sri Lanka located 100% tested 2026 version and version 14 and 15. No problem. The solution ready. Your no IME no dongle. Remote service working, any ZTE SPD CPU. The lock permanently removed and now see check and working. You don't worry, my service 24 hours. And contact email and WhatsApp and Telegram joined and remote service. Okay? Last update, last update, the solution network Latin America and Sri Lanka lock. This solution ready. Now see email and WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay? And remote service. ZT any model SPD. That's ready. The lock and remote service working. Good news. And last update. Other solution fail. My solution new and 100% working and remote service working. Okay? And WhatsApp and Telegram join it. I am ready only for you 24 hours. Good night, all GSM fan.